Today we are making a soft and hearty 100% whole wheat bread. Wholesome, simple and full of natural flavor. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, add 500 grams of whole wheat flour, 7 grams of yeast, 10 grams of salt, 15 grams of milk powder, 20 grams of butter, 10 milliliters of honey, gradually pour in 345 milliliters of water, not all at once. Mix until the dough comes together and feels slightly sticky but smooth. Lightly flour your work surface and turn the dough out. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until the dough becomes soft and elastic. Place the dough in the lightly oiled bowl, cover with cling film and let it rest for 1 hour or until double in size. Lightly flour your workspace again. Divide into half. Now shape it into a tart. Cover and let it rest for 1 hour. Bake in the preheated oven at 200 Celsius for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. Enjoy!